Kador bar Shnong Nongmensong ha Jingkhuid lang but kat South League Skul ki badan ha kate Shnong ha powder wi yong arja arpenrio kila penlong Jingpyrkhat ha dong but kin toit kate Shnong ha shwa kania la don lang balingkot ha bala lum lang ki khna ni ki wei pat ki skul ha phalau St Jerome Higher Secondary School Nongmensong but ha lang lawan ban don lang da uba AL hek MLA ka penthor khra kumukwang san Nalor uba hek laydon lang da uba Jefferson Kinjing, Nongmensong ka project Clean Surrounding, Father Patrick Lingdo, Parish Priest ka Nongmensong Parish, ki bor panyat Shnong bakintop ya uba Raymond Kharjana Secretary, uba Dimar Marbanyang Treasurer, uba P. Khain Finance Secretary, ki samla ka Shnong, ki nong hikay bat ki wei pat. Ki nong kren ha kani ka lang ki pin kan mau, maka mariang kade ka jing dan kam jang baro, om na kabanta ka jing lalot jong no re jong no. Kajingkiar ban penan kami ki plastik ba penan kam tang shi sien bat ba Nongmensong ka de ka linti sya ka new Shillong bat kumta don kami ki nong Shnong ban long ki ba sumar don ya ka Jingmut Jingpyrkhat ka ban ne ban wan ra ka khuit ka suba
kumbang lete bi bagakam ban Pyrkhat ban penne ya ka jingi tingat jong amai mariang kambe shu ka sinjam ban khumai kambe kum ka dorbar Shnong hi nak roi ka por Ijushim ni senjam ni berit kumjuru itu he kumna berwara era taka Jingkhuid jing suba haka Shnong haka hani dong Shnong jongi hi boro away nasutu ba ani step idan ru yagi perlok nakiwe pat ki jadniyo. I would also like to address our non-Khasi friends who have gathered here today this morning through this short message. On behalf of the Shnong, we appreciate your willingness to participate in this cleaning drive, and we hope that as we gather here today, we are not here gathering just for the cleaning drive, but so to make a statement, a commitment towards a safer environment, a clean environment, for not just ourselves, but for future generation as well. At the end of the day, this might be a small steps, but all I can say is that if you need to take a giant leap, first you need to have a small steps.
God has given us a beautiful place. Everything has made so beautiful. As Saint Thomas Aquinas, one of the great theologian of the Catholic Church, he says like this: if all what is being created is so beautiful, how much more will be the Creator? He'll be more beautiful. So the saying which says cleanliness is next to godliness is actually the thing which we have to have. If anything, or if all what we see is what God created, they don't just come simply by chance. There is a power behind who created everything. We have to attribute a kind of gratitude to the one who has created everything. We have to say thank you. And how we say thank you is to keep the surroundings clean and cultivate healthy habits between us. There's a saying we say, keep order and order will keep you. Keep order. So I would say that cleanliness starts from every personal level, especially maybe from home. The parents will have one place in which they will say it is a dustbin. All the children should not throw anything anywhere. They should throw in a dustbin. And the government has also put that what are the things to be thrown, maybe which is perishable one place and which is not perishable in another place. So we have to start from the family level, in which we have to teach cleanliness. Then the school level, surely it is very important. As I told you, that the teachers first, they have a great part to show good example for cleanliness by themselves pick up the things which are not on the floor or ask the students to pick up.
We face one challenge in this maintaining the cleanliness in each and every locality, in each and every corner that we go. What is that? Plastic. Plastic have been created for a very good purpose. No, pilih bansong tu, ayat kata bayar plastik lah, asna bahkan yarap ini. Bagi dalit seno pindalit apa dukan gani katai mendom kamera plastik gani katai layo itu plastik nara siang itu biskuit ni jingbami dok hani whatever. It has been created to help us, but how we use it after we use it, that is the problem. Kumnongi pendam kam dangi ada pendam kam kata kadeka ke problem neka jingye kaba ngiya borok ngiya ma. However, kata mau ipi lah sedar bentar beneram ini. Kapun sok ini, it helps us for a short time though. Kayak ini tang sipor, but then the after effects of plastics, especially the single-use plastics, will be for a long time. Because for plastic to really decompose, if it does, among some of the plastic, it takes 500 years. And then it prevents groundwater, it prevents so many things, and then it does harms to animals and even to us humans. How I started this project Clean Surrounding, because of the plastic, I dislocated my hand almost came out because I fell down stepping on top of a plastic bottle. So that is how our project started. Plastic has created such an immense problem that, we have no option now. Kadang-kadang mangisong gadi ka plastic, kabangi bamja hayen gadi ka dining table gadi ka plastic. I'm sure most of you will have plastic bottles for carrying water, plastic tiffins for pinra sa school. Plastic has captured us everywhere. Now what do? We cannot live without plastics now. What do? What we can do is at least avoid single-use plastic. Kumno, swamha. Bankiar na gajing pendon kam ya kani ka plastic tabo pendon kam tang sisian.
If your mind is clean, everything it can be clean. The surrounding can be clean. Everything is depend on your mind, how you are thinking. You will be a game changer. But we berpengkalai ke imlan kesalang. Father has said that the Nongmensong is the gateway to the new Shillong. We are very proud to be a gateway to the new Shillong. So it is our duty and responsibility to keep our locality clean. Kadai am yang kau bo, yang kau Shnong kejungi, yang kau Skul kejungi, yang kau Jingkhuid. Tiada kuah benda gubta gini bendon pada the self-awareness. You have to create your self-awareness. If you are aware to yourself, you will be giving aware to anybody also. But if you are not, you are not been aware to yourself, you will not be able to give aware to the other people. Today, you have to be first. You have to have your self-awareness. You should have in your mind that this is my responsibility. I have to take the ownership. The ownership kada belum ditry. Tak kepada berbuat yang kada surrounding kejungi. Berbuat yang kada Shnong kejungi, ke Skul kejungi. We should take the ownership. We should be very, proud to be taking the ownership, how to keep it clean. As I said by all the speakers, they have said so many things about the, cleanliness is the next to godliness, but I'm telling you, first we have to have a self-cleaning. Then only we can take off to clean the other, whatever is there in our life that has come to our life.
Habalawai ka tegi lang uba hek. Lem ki riu rang ba, kila lam kamat ha ka Jingpyrkhat Shnong, buat pat da ki kena Skul, ki baga dorbar Shnong kalapia ha ki san benta, na lor ka jingsa mi ki kot link dop, ki bakren chapang kumno ban kiar nagba pinjaklia, ki kindon bat kiwe pat.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop, ka shop plus F. ka plus F
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habat thiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam kta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we ka jingmentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba khambha ka jingim ba khambha pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya